Hello friends, today in this video I can show you in which software you can use to screen record in your Mac. So just go to your app and here you can show the app store. Just click in and open it. Here you can search screen record. Suggestion is screen recorder. Here you can show many of software is there. Some is free and some ones are paid. Just like 2000, 5000. But don't go through it. Just in this first you can see the screen recorder tab and record. Already there are no get option because I already installed it. That's your specification. Here you can easily install your screen recording. Here is HD camera, 4K installing, 4K video recording, 60 fps. There are no watermark. You also trim your video. Just install it, go to what is this software, and I also use this software to recording this video right now. So that's all in this video.